Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Metalhead Gamer 1986. Welcome to another video. Today, I got another package. I'm really excited about this. I have a feeling I know what it is. But let's see what it is for you guys. Came prepared this time. By the way, I hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Alright. Now, look at this thing. Let's pop them, just real quick. Anyway, moving on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just what I was waiting for. This. I'm going to peel this off real quick. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2. It is not only is it a tablet, but it also has a keyboard on it. It has about 128 gigs built into this thing, and it is fantastic. Runs off of Windows 10 Home, and it also comes with a pen. So let's get into this. So, Galaxy Book 2. And I like that smell of fresh electronics. So, let's take this out. Now, for the record, this thing is one of the newest tablets that are on the market for Samsung. And what's real crazy about this thing is worth $1,000. Holy crap. Here's your keyboard, and it looks like a little mouse pad, as you can see. It clicks, and there's your little magnet, so you can set your screen on. That's pretty cool. Now for the other main event. Oh my god. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is badass. Apparently this is how you set it up, so that way you can... Now let's go ahead and... They say it's supposed to automatically connect, so let's see. Yep. Automatically connects. I like it. Now, before I turn that bad boy on, let's see here. Here's the cord. It looks like here that it is a Type-C cord, which is really cool. Here's the pen. Let's take a look at this bad boy right here. Oh my god. This thing is really off the hook. Check that out. It has a stylus up here. And you just hold it down when you're writing and everything. An art pen, as I like to call this thing. Let's see what else. And of course the little fast wall charger. See if there's anything else. What is it? No idea what this is. See anything else that's in this box? Nope. Just a bunch of normal stuff. So now, for the main event. There we go. Alright. So, let's check it out. Alright. It must be dead. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to charge it, so I'll give you guys a little quick tour on it later on, but tell me what you guys think about this Samsung Galaxy Book 2. And if you have it, what are your thoughts on it? And do you think it's really awesome? I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. So I shall see you guys later. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And as always, rock on and keep it nerdy. Take care, my friends.